A youth subsidy, I don't know much about it, but I know that it's going to give the youth a chance to get jobs. I think it will benefit me because I'd be able to get a job in maybe some of the companies and have experience. But I know it's going to give a lot of people job opportunities.
A youth wage subsidy is when youths that are fresh from matric are employed by companies and the government pays that company like sort of subsidy for or thank you reward for employing the youths that are unskilled and giving them experience in that field of work.
I think it's a very good idea considering that we need to make our own extra money, having to be partially dependent on our parents, and job creation, the experience, the growth that you get, and having to do something that is not illegitimate.
I feel like our country loses out. We lose all of these people, and that way they move to other countries to go benefit certain other countries where we're South African, but we're going other places so that we can go benefit their country, and just South Africa loses out on the whole.
Oh, the consequences are pretty deep because like you feel like you've wasted your time and like you're just pretty much pumping into the unemployment sector, you know what I mean? Because like there you are, you ain't studying, but like you know, you're inflating the unemployment sector, and inflating the unemployment sector must not work well for the country, I guess.
Incompetence is what is damaging our government, and I feel like, you know, they should step up, and if they're gonna carry on with such good incentives, they should stick it through. They shouldn't slack, and yeah, that's about it.
I would like to say big up to them, to giving the youth a chance.